Hey everyone, in this video, I just want to go over really briefly what my expectations are for the reading response rewrite. So if you click on modules in our course page and you scroll down, you'll notice that you only have one more module left for my class. I'm assuming that most of you guys have already completed the local politics module. This is what is due tonight at 11:59 p.m., the week 14 quiz. There's also the extra credit module. Both of the extra credit assignments are due tonight, like I said in my last email announcement to you guys. However, we still have 2 more weeks left of the class. I had originally planned on adding an additional module to the class on another topic in local politics, maybe homelessness, for instance. But with everything going on right now, coronavirus, economic recession, all of our classes being taught online, you guys learning online exclusively, I just figured, you know what, you've already had enough to do. You've already had enough to sort of worry about, enough to get through. So that's why all you have left to worry about for my class is the reading response rewrite. However, I want to underline, make sure to emphasize that this is actually not a required assignment. Okay, so here's the deal. If you go to your grade in the class, I want you to identify the reading response that you got the lowest grade on. For most of you, it's going to be reading response number 1. But maybe it was reading response number 2. I know I still need to grade reading response 4. I promise I will get it done within the next couple days. But whatever reading response you got the lowest grade on, I want to give you an opportunity to rewrite that reading response. Especially for reading response 1, I left you a lot of feedback, and that's why you made significant improvements from reading response 1 thereon after. So if you want to go back to that first paper and you want to make the necessary changes, you can do so, and you can submit your rewrite right here via this Turnitin link. And what I'll do is I will look at this paper as a brand new paper. So if you originally got a C on reading response 1 and you make tons of revisions and edits to it and you submit it here and I grade it in a week or 2 and I think, wow, this is like an A paper, then what I will do is I will change your grade to an A on reading response 1, okay? I do want to preface all of this though with just a reminder that I expect you to really, really make revisions. I don't want to read the same paper. In the past, I have seen students just copy and paste their old paper. What I'm going to do when I'm looking through your rewrites is I'm going to compare your rewrite to your original draft, to your first paper. So make sure they are significantly different papers. Now, you can still build on some of the ideas that you wrote about in your first paper. You can even use your original thesis statement if it was a good thesis statement. I'm just saying make sure to actually put forth a significant amount of effort into this. Now, if you're happy with your grade in the course and I get you your grade back on reading response 4 and you did the extra credit and you're doing great in my class, then don't worry about it. You don't need to do this assignment. This is just another opportunity for you to improve your grade in this class if you want to. Okay, so let me know if you guys have any questions. You can comment on the announcement if you'd like, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible.